All right, this is Lab 5-3. I am in OneDrive and already signed in. Um, okay, so we're going to begin with creating a new folder. All right, and we're going to name this DA Audit Working Papers. And hit create. That's now we have our folder created. We're gonna go ahead and open this up, and then we're gonna share so we can share it with someone. Nothing's popping up on mine. All right. I finally figured out what to do. I was clicking share and it did not want to provide me that pop-up where I could send a link to somebody, but I thought I was recording, but it wasn't. And so here you can see that the link was sent and it was sent to another email. I think it doesn't show that it's shared, but maybe after we add some files in here, it'll show that it has been shared. Okay. So waiting on that to move. Go to Chegg, see these questions. Okay, so question 1 says, what advantage is there to sharing files in one location rather than emailing copies back and forth? Emailing copies back and forth is kind of it's not efficient. It's pretty inefficient just because it takes time to send copies back and forth. It takes time to write the email. You know, if you're talking to somebody who works at your firm and is above you, you have to take the time to be formal, make sure you put in all of the necessary things you should include in a professional email. Yeah, I mean, it's just quicker and easier for everybody to have an updated version of that file. All right. All right, now to the second part. I have the 5-3 lab files downloaded. And so what we want to do is upload these files into our OneDrive. So I'm going to select this one, select this one as well. Go ahead and drag and drop. So there's a copy within these. Okay. Okay, I don't think that worked. Delete this, try this again. Drop it in here. Yeah, I think I have to go ahead and I thought they were fine. I think I have to unzip those files. All right, I now have them uploaded. What I did is, nope, one here. So I just dropped these into my data analytics folder, just a folder I have for this class. And I just copy them onto here. And then from here, I drag them on to the OneDrive, and it effectively made a copy of them. All right, on to question 2. explore the two folders you just uploaded. What kind of documents and files do you see? Headed back to this OneDrive. So in this current audit file, oh, give me one second. I'll go back. So here you see it is in fact shared. Just to touch back on what I previously had done, trying to show that I did share this with another email. And so here we have goods received, invoices received, payments made, purchase orders, supplier listing, user listing, master audit file. We have the audit action sheets, audit plan, data dictionary, and a PowerPoint over the UML system diagram. And so what kind of documents, files do you see? Just went over that. How do you think these files can be used for data analysis? So these files, yeah, what happened? Please. Okay, don't happen there. But in the current audit file, there's a lot of information that we could use for data analytics. You know, there's invoices received, goods received, payments made. I found that in my internship experience, a lot of the payments or cash disbursements were tested, and I feel like there's a lot of information here that we just manipulate into making certain inferences about the client, and then how we would go about that would be in the master audit file, using the the audit plan and the audit action sheets, and using the data dictionary to understand something maybe we don't know as of now or before looking at the data. But just want to double check and make sure that was the last question. Yeah, okay. All right, yeah, that's lab 5-3.